Oh, hello, and welcome to your online classroom here at Eastern West Virginia Community and Technical College. I am excited to speak and interact with everybody in here, either if you are a new student or a returning one at the college. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nathan Van Vranken, and I will be your instructor this semester, but I will also serve as your guide and mentor as part of your learning journey. I am the full-time science faculty here at the college and the coordinator of the Biological Environmental Technology program, where we use environmental science concepts to learn more about the natural world and be able to solve the problems right here in Appalachia. Now, I see you have signed up for GSC 120, or Concepts in Environmental Science, a foundational science course. But what is environmental science? Now, this is a question to you, as many students tend to have a general idea of what environmental science is, especially in the recent years, because it's a hot topic. But I want to ask some questions. Have you ever really wondered about the natural and physical world around you? Have you asked questions like, why during the summer does it seem always hotter and drier in areas that you didn't expect it, especially out here in the Appalachian region, where we have lush forests, but during the summer times, they always seem to be drier and warmer every single year. And our winters seem to be shorter and less severe from year to year. When we look at areas where there's industry, such as some of the coastal factories of Louisiana, the chemicals that are being produced, what is the impact of those chemicals on the surrounding air regions? The smokestacks, they have exhaust. What's inside that exhaust, and how does that affect our planet? Or the residuals as they enter the water supply, how does it affect the health of the workers that would work at that factory? What about in recent times in California? What's the cause of those wildfires that are still burning at the time of this recording? These are the fundamental questions that environmental scientists ask themselves, as these are what we call phenomena. And phenomena is really any scientific event. In this case, the phenomena that you'll encounter in this class are those found relating to the environment, a construct of how we view the natural world and our role as humans in it. So in our first week here in the class, we are going to start off with the fundamentals of environmental science. We're going to define what the environment actually is from a science perspective and use that as a way to grow your scientific literacy, how you view science, and how do you stay current with it, but also your scientific awareness. Are you aware that there are phenomena that drives our body of knowledge about the environment? And we can do this in a variety of different ways. And I think one of the most interesting way, at least from my perspective, and hopefully for yours, is let's take a look at the history of environmental science. And we're going to investigate different periods of time where our understanding of the environment and humans' roles within it have dramatically changed, going from prehistory, where we have a very strong tie as humans to the environment because that's where the food comes from and the resources to build our early settlements. And then we can move into close to the industrial age of around the 1700s. And how did we view the environment then? Was it full of unlimited resources? Or maybe we should start thinking more cautiously on how those resources are being utilized. And then we can move into more recent eras of environmental science, like the progressive era with the establishment of the National Park Service, and even into the modern understanding of environmental science. And that it's a global effort to maintain what we call sustainability, a way for us to maintain the environment for future generations that have yet to come. So that's what our main goal for this week is: how do we use the environment to communicate about the world around us? So if you have any questions about the material this week, remember, I'm always available to reach out. At the start of this class, you'll get a copy of my syllabus, which is a guide on how to be successful in the class. It's going to have your schedule of the different topics we're going to cover, and the grading procedures, but most importantly, my open office hours and ways to contact me. I am here to support you in your learning journey through email, in-person visits, and also virtual video chats. Um, and come with me on an adventure, if you will, to learn about our little blue planet floating in space and what stories can it tell.